Hi everyone friends, I am back and today we have a Samsung Galaxy A71. It's fully cracked screen as you see, as well scratched back cover and the glass of the cameras, and as well the middle frame as you see. So I already ordered everything as always, and we will cover and we will start to disassemble it in 1 minute. As always, we need to take out the SIM tray from his place and put it back. Then we need to heat carefully back panel, to take it out. Don't heat too much because inside there is a flexes and you can easily damage it. So I will come back when I heat it. Okay, I already heat the back cover. Now we can very carefully, not to damage anything, to try take it off. Okay. Okay, as you see, it's not very difficult, but do not enter too much blade inside, because you never know, there is some flexes or no. The blade can easily damage flex. Okay, now we can see what there is inside. Okay, this time we not damage everything, but what I see, someone was here before me, but it's no matter. Okay, so now we need to unscrew those 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 14 screws as you see. Here, 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 and here. Down and upstairs. I will come back when I done it. Okay, now when I unscrew everything, we can try to take out the middle frame. For this we can use plastic things, I don't know how it calls, but all the sellers from AliExpress put it inside back when you buy some elements of the screen. Okay, now this one is the best one. Metal one. Okay, we need to do it carefully, but not too much, because we will change everything here except these ones, how to say, flexes and other stuff. So okay, it comes here. Okay, up, it's okay. Okay, in your case, if you didn't change the frame, be very careful, because it's very, I don't know, tiny plastic. You see, it was broken before, not now. Okay, what we have here, as always, flexes, so we need to disconnect battery flex as you see. Okay, then the main flex here, and in the bottom board as well, from the bottom. Okay, see this one. Okay, now we need to disconnect this tiny cable. See, be careful, because it's very tiny, you can easily broke it. Here we have, as you see, flex of the LCD. We need to disconnect it carefully. and the tiny one as well from here. Okay, we can take it out because we will put it on the new one LCD. I ordered it with the frame, so okay, very careful. Yay! What next? We have board, one screw that holding it, as you see, black one. We need to take him out. Unscrew. Yep. Put it, not to mix it or something. So now the main board must be take it out. Yep. As you see, very easily. It was holding on one screw. Now we need to take out the vibrate motor. Don't be afraid, it's very strong and you can damage it, but you know, never say never. As you see, oh, nice glue. Okay, this one, focus please. Okay, we'll put it here. Next one, we need to take out speaker, I guess, but it's only, I don't know how it. Okay, we'll try to take it out from this side. It will be difficult a bit, but we will try to do our best to take it out. Yay! As you see, this one from here. Don't worry, everything alright. So now we can unscrew the fingerprint scanner, as you see here. Okay, I will turn this one. It's holding on two screws, so okay, we can try to take it out. 1 and 2. Okay. Nice. Disconnect the fingerprint scanner flex carefully. It's tiny. Okay. The down board, it's holding only on glue. There is no screws, so we can carefully take it out, pull it, yeah, like that. Okay. As you see, it's only glued. It's holding on glue. That's it. There is nothing more. Okay, and the fingerprint as well. See, look, it's very small camera. Focus please. Okay, thank you. Okay, I guess you'll see. Next is my lovely, how to say, lovely, the installation is the battery. We need to heat it very carefully, not to heat it too much because it can explode. So, and then take it out very carefully as well. I will use, as always, these two things, plastic one and the metal one, but be careful. I know what I'm talking about. Not one time it was explode in my arms, as you see. So, okay, I will come back when I'm done with it. Whew, thanks God, I already take it out without any damage of the battery or damage of myself. So now we can start to put everything back on the new one LCD with the frame. Okay, so as always, what we need to do, I forget. Okay, first we need to put back this down board. We need to put back as well, as you see. fingerprint. Don't forget to screw it with the screws. Okay. Oh. Okay. To connect all the cables. Okay. Do you see? See? Okay, now we need to turn off the light. Now we need to put back the vibrate motor. Now the speaker, I guess, speaker. It must be in this place. Okay. Don't forget to take out this thing from the old one. It must stay here. I didn't know that it must be this mount from there. So now, yep, I put it back in new one frame and the speaker as well. Nice, good. Okay, we can now try to connect motherboard. Put in the place, and don't forget to screw back the black one, small screw that holding the motherboard. See? Okay. Now we can put back and connect the tiny one cable, as you see. Okay, here put in the small rock stick. Okay, here as well we need to connect it. Okay, see, nice. Okay, now we can put back the battery. I don't know if this now a bit higher. Okay, now connect the flex back. Okay, perfect. And now I will check the frames, the new one and the old one, and I will come back. Okay, I take out the speaker from old frame and put it in the new one, this one. It takes out very easily, and I guess an NFC, this one. So now we can put it back and see how it fit the new one frame with the new middle. Okay, need to push harder, but not too much, not to damage anything or break, because all the parts, everything is new. It's normal. Okay, I guess it's okay. I will check and come back. Okay, seems everything fine. So we can screw back all those screws. I will come back in 1 minute. Okay, everything's fine. Seems to be fine. And we can put the SIM tray with the SIM card. It will be okay. Where's the SIM 1, SIM 2? SIM 1, SIM 2. Okay, where's the... I guess it must be maybe like this. Not like this. Okay, SIM tray. can try to. Okay, seems it's fine. So now we can, while it's turning on, we can put the back cover very carefully. It's almost with glue. Okay. Okay, how it fits? Yep. It fits perfectly. Nice. Okay, and to glue it, we need to put in this case. Okay, see, soft, nice, soft, perfect. Okay, what we have here, everything fine. There's a network. Okay, we can check the cameras as well, as always. Ultra. Okay. Yep, working. Nice. Okay. Oh, so thanks to join me this time. Yeah, this whole part, as you see. And we done it. So see you next time. I hope this video will help you. Bye.